In this video, I'll show you how to refurbish a Breville or Sage steam probe using brand new O-rings. Hi, I'm Mark from BrewFix. On this channel, you'll find step-by-step guides primarily focused on espresso machine repairs. The measurements for the small O-rings can be found in the description. First, we will need a nose plier, then a pointed tool like this one, and an old probe, which in this case has a very worn inner O-ring, a new outer O-ring, and finally the inner O-ring, if I can manage to grab it. The first step is to locate the small locking ring at the top of the probe, which holds the entire insulator in place. Carefully use your pointed tool to remove the locking ring. As you can see, you really need to be careful here. The locking ring can easily fly off or get lost, which is why I try to keep a finger behind it. There you go. Now we can locate the O-ring at the bottom of the insulator, which is held in place by the base. Use your pointed tool to carefully dig out the O-ring. Sometimes this is easy, other times it can be quite difficult. Be careful not to crack the insulator, as it's made from a porcelain-like material. I'm using some food-grade grease to lubricate the O-ring, making it easier to push into place. Now push the O-ring up the probe and use your pointed tool to guide it over the base. This part can be a little tricky, but anyone can manage it. Just be careful not to overstretch the O-ring. And we got it over. Now use the backside of your pointed tool or another suitable tool to push the O-ring up into the insulator so the base can be seated properly. It can help to push the base upwards while pressing the O-ring in. This keeps the O-ring in place and prevents it from slipping back down. Dear God, give me the strength to remain calm. There we go. Now for the locking ring. Push the insulator back down and hold it in place while fitting the locking ring, then press it on with a pair of nose pliers. This step requires a bit of precision since the locking ring is so small and the pliers are relatively large. Finally, replace the outer O-ring, which can easily be pulled over the insulator. There you go! You've now successfully rebuilt a steam probe for your Sage or Breville machine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like.